In this video we will go over motion diagrams. This is position versus time graph. In this first region, object is speeding up to the positive direction, parabolic. In the second region, object is keeping the constant speed, still the same direction, positive direction, linear. In the third region, object is now slowing down to stop, but still the same direction, positive direction. One more time, region 1, speeding up to the positive direction. Region 2, constant speed to the positive direction. Region 3, slowing down to stop to the positive direction. In region 4, the position remains the same. Because the position is not changing, the object is stationary. In the fifth region is now object is turning around and changing direction and speeding up to the negative direction, again parabolic. In the sixth region, object is keeping the constant speed to the negative direction, and this is linear again, linear line. In this last region, seventh, object is slowing down to stop to the negative direction, parabolic. Once again, region 1 is parabolic, region 3 parabolic, 5 and 7 are parabolic. So in region 1, speeding up, region 5 is also speeding up, but region 1 is speeding up to the positive direction, region 5 is speeding up to the negative direction, while region 3 is slowing down to the positive direction, region 7 is slowing down to the negative direction. So what is negative, what is positive direction? It's depending on your definition. If you consider going away from home is positive direction, if you define like this. So in this case, this is home, and this is, let's say you come to school. Okay. So from home to school direction is positive. And now you stay at school for some time, and then from this point to all the way down here is negative direction. So from school to home, negative direction, while home to school is positive direction. This is how we define. You can change this definition, it's all up to you. Also, you can think of a motion detector in the lab. If you walk away from the motion detector is positive, then walking towards the motion detector is going to be negative direction. So this is a position versus time graph. Now let's move on to velocity versus time graph. So we keep the same names, region 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Region 1 here is speeding up to the positive direction. Velocity time versus time graph clearly shows that velocity is now changing, and this second region was constant speed to the positive direction. Constant speed means speed is not changing. That's why you see that speed is the same number all the time it reads. Time 1, time 2, the reading on the speed scale or velocity scale is the same. Region 3 is slowing down, so you see that from a bigger number to all the way down, speed is going down to 0, slowing down. Region 4 was no motion region, no motion, as you see that no motion. Region 5 is speeding up to the negative direction. It was parabolic on position versus time graph, but it's going to be linear in velocity versus time graph like this. Region 6 is constant speed. Region 7 is slowing down to stop. So stop means at the end the speed becomes again 0. In velocity versus time graph, whatever you see above x-axis is positive direction motion. Whatever you see below x-axis are all negative direction motion. Now let's move on to acceleration versus time graph. We will keep the same names, region 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In velocity versus time graph, we see that it is a linear line, positive line, upward, positive. So then it gives us a positive slope. Therefore you have a positive line in your acceleration versus time graph, positive line like this. Region 2, there is no slope, slope is 0, therefore you have 0 line like that. Region 3 is a negative, it's declining, not inclining, like in 1 is inclining, that's why we said positive slope. And in region 3 the slope is declining, that's why negative slope, so that says acceleration is negative. Region 4, no slope, again 0. Region 5 is like region 3, negative, downward, negative slope, so that gives us negative acceleration. Region 6, again no slope, 0. Region 7 is now like 1, region 1, positive slope, positive upward. So that is also positive acceleration. So region 1 and 7 are positive slopes, accelerations are positive. So that means speeding up, region 1, speeding up to the positive direction, acceleration is positive. In region 7, slowing down to the negative direction is also positive acceleration. Region 3, negative slope. Region 5 is negative slope as well. So these are negative acceleration. So what that means, region 3, slowing down to positive direction is negative acceleration. Region 5, speeding up to the negative direction is also negative acceleration. And the remaining parts are all 0 acceleration, 0 acceleration, 0 acceleration, 0 acceleration. That means their slope on velocity versus time graph are 0. Their slope are 0. 0 slope, 0 slope, 0 slope.